Cancel him. Cancel him.
Pavi has been on the show before. That's
I was drugged. I love you, Sayoni. I love you, Sayoni. Koi shak? What's up?
I am now a Himesh the action hero fan. Hook step kar, hooka bar mein.
Wow.
No touching, no touching.
Only
Only kissing,
Only
only
seeing.
seeing, only
No
seeing.
touching, only kissing.
Udit ji song.
That's
Sorry.
why.
Many are there, but right now to my mind, Hasi to Fasi. Clap with
Yeah,
it.
yeah. But Barfi is.
अरे भाई मेरे को विलन क्यों बना रहा भाई?
Guys, you can't shout the answer. What is this? Wow. Was it? Was it really?
पे
Sumit. He didn't ask you the question again.
रिग्ड है भाई, ये गेम रिग्ड है.
Okay. Enough.
इस लाइक मेरे को मौका दे. नीचे से लोग आ रहे हैं भाई. ये 8 घंटे का शो कैसे हो गया भाई? ऑडियंस को इतना कैसे? पे.
Oh, you got it.
Yes.
Hello and welcome to another episode of That Film The Game Show. Yes, you made it. You made it. This is the show where through Bollywood acumen and knowledge you figure out who amongst us is the biggest Bollywood Badshah and Begum. My name is Antriksh Thakkar. Joining me on the show today are two very extremely funny stand-up comedians. Let's clap with a huge round of applause. Please welcome, first up we have Pavitra Shetty! Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. Woo. Welcome Pavitra. Awesome. Please grab a seat. Either is fine. Yeah, all good.
Yeah, I'll sit in the middle because that's where women
Belong, I guess.
the center of attention.
Oh, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Why you thought this was the kitchen, or? Okay, let's go it, guys. That's the kind of show.
Cancel him. Cancel him.
Also joining us on the show today is also extremely funny. Please welcome with a huge round of applause, Sumit Saurabh. Woo! Yes. Yes. Awesome. Welcome, guys.
Yeah.
Welcome. If at any point you feel like taking the mic out of the holster, you can do that. It's all good.
Okay.
Does anyone here know what the show is? Some of you do, yes. Does everyone here know what the show is? No, you guys have no idea. Guys, this is...
Same.
Wow, Pavi has been on the show before. That's very sad.
I was drugged.
So this is the Bollywood Game Show podcast. Are you guys all into films and Bollywood and going for movies? Yes, say like yeah, woo. No? Okay, fine. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, good, great. So basically, we'll be playing a lot of games based on Bollywood films and Bollywood songs. This is a weekly show. You can check it out on the Antriksh Thakkar, my YouTube channel. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna get started, guys. Thank you firstly for so many of these people, man. This is so nice.
था इनके पास.
Yeah.
I can see
You all
that.
came late, na? You all couldn't make it to open your show. Sucks for y'all.
Yeah. You know, I printed out all these brochures, okay, because they had told me that you'll be able to distribute it to the audience who was in between shows.
Achha.
So like you bark at the audience, ki, hey, come for my show, I have 1:15 show. Turned out this was the first show happening in the day. So there's no point. So there's, my flyers are somewhere. If someone can find them, I'll just distribute to the audience.
फाड़ना
I'll
है
just
तो
distribute to the audience. Yeah. इतना बकवास show, निकालो यहाँ से.
Take those flyers, frame it, and put it up on your walls. Sleep with it at night if you're lonely. And
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
Oh,
if you're
today
not
Sumit
lonely,
and Pavi are
threesome is
sleeping
also
with me.
good. His wife is at the back. Nice.
Yes. Welcome. I see some regulars, Amjad, Kaustav. Thank you so much, guys. Let's talk to ma'am and her son? Son-in-law. Okay, thank God.
Ooh.
It could have gone either way. Let me ask, what would you rather do? Your parents or... Let's not.
No.
Let's not.
No.
Let's not. Not that kind of show, I guess.
भाई रिस्की हो गया यार पैनल शो
Yeah.
लाइक
Bro.
Yeah.
Bro, yeah. Any wild shit that you guys say, I'll get in trouble. Is the problem.
Antariksh's views are Antariksh's views, none of our views. Same applies
Yeah,
for Sumit
same,
Saurabh.
same.
Yeah.
And if I say some shit, it's not even my view. I'm just saying.
That's J-Sport's views.
Yeah,
Yes.
J-Sport.
Get touch with J-Sport. Damn it.
Yeah.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. Ma'am, what was the last Hindi movie that you saw and how do you like it? It can be in theaters, it can be on Netflix, it can be a new one, it can be an old classic that you saw for the first time in your life. What was it?
The last movie I've seen अभी recently बधाई हो.
बधाई हो आपने अब देखी?
No, अभी recently अभी देखी
अच्छा, okay.
Again,
And
मतलब it was third time I was watching that.
great.
Oh, wow.
What do you guys think of Badhai Ho? I really like the film. It's a really
The
good film.
Nina Gupta one, no? Where
Yeah,
she
yeah.
is pregs.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nobody calls it the Nina Gupta one. People usually say the Ayushmann Khurrana movie.
Always for the women. Woo, woo, woo.
I would say Gajraj Rao movie before Nina Gupta.
Cancel him. Everybody cancel him. I'm going to get them by the end.
What about you, Sumit, Pavi? What movies have you guys seen recently?
मैंने तो अभी देवा देखी है, देवा
Oh,
Yeah.
कैसी लगी bro?
बड़ी बहुत गुस्सा आया मुझे, बहुत ज़्यादा।
It builds you up to be a great film and then
Yeah,
it doesn't come, you know,
exactly.
it doesn't come through.
किसी ने मतलब देखी नहीं है तो फिर इस पॉइंट मतलब
किसी ने देखी यहाँ पे देवा?
नहीं।
It's fine. It's for the
अच्छा
home
ठीक है,
audience
इन
also.
जनरल मैं बताता हूँ,
हाँ.
मैंने उस दिन रियलाइज किया कि हाउ ऑडियंस फील्स व्हेन दे गो फॉर अ शो।
Yeah.
क्योंकि दे ऑलरेडी रूटिंग फॉर द मेन गाय, वो ऑलरेडी पे करके आए हैं, दे आर ऑलरेडी देयर कि भाई मुझे कुछ दिखा दे यहाँ पे एंड में,
हाँ.
और मैं रेडी हूँ अभी रिव्यू डालने के लिए, यार मजा आ गया जो भी है, बिकॉज दे आर रूटिंग फॉर यू। वहाँ आए भाई 3 घंटे दे रहे हो अपना जो भी 2 घंटे,
Yeah.
देन ऑल्सो यू फक इट अप एंड पे जाके कि भाई कुछ भी इतना खराब उसका एंडिंग है, एंड इट गोज लाइक दिस कि भाई एकदम ही ऐसे जा रहा है, लाइक ओके कुछ हो रहा है, एंड में मैं ही निकल के आया हूँ चूतिया उसमें।
Correct.
कि मैं ही हूँ जो इसमें आया हूँ यार, मेरी
That's a
गलती है।
great way of spoiling it while not spoiling it
Yeah.
also. Nice, I like
Exactly.
it. That's great. Awesome. You know what movie I saw? Fucking badass Ravi Kumar, dude.
Oh, nice.
So many people saw it?
Yeah.
Oh, dude,
nice.
wild! What? An insanely fun time. It is crazy how fun that it has
Yeah.
no right being this fun.
Yeah.
But the movie is just fucking fun. I am now a Himesh the action hero fan, I would say. I want to see more
You
of Himesh
and
the action
a lot
hero.
of
yeah.
rickshawalas also.
Yeah,
They
correct.
love
Dude, there is
Himesh.
one point in the film. Of course, also always remember that Himesh does not fear because fear fears him.
Oh.
That's literally a dialogue from the
Sexy.
movie.
Yes.
हिंदुस्तानियों और कुत्तों में क्या फर्क है? सिर्फ एक बॉर्डर.
Ooh.
Deep.
No?
That's against China. No. It's not.
It's cancel.
There is if you've not seen the movie, okay, there is a song in the movie which is a sequel to
Tandoori
Hookah Bar.
Nights. Oh.
Tandoori
अच्छा.
Nights का Tandoori Days तो है ही.
Days है,
अच्छा.
yeah.
There is a Hookah Bar का sequel song also. It's called Hook Step Kar Hookah Bar में. Okay, it goes hook step kar hookah bar में.
अच्छा, wow.
नाच जरा नाच मेरे प्यार में. Okay, that's the
Your
song.
बहुत
wife
ज़्यादा
is
ही
so
पसंद
turned
आ
on
रहा
at
है.
the back
She
right
loves
now. She's like,
Antariksh.
yeah,
Yes.
Antariksh Kar.
Dude,
Where is that?
people say my Himesh Reshammiya impression is better than Himesh Reshammiya himself.
Yeah.
No, they don't say.
Oh, wow.
Nobody
It's
said that.
crazy.
So that's the song, okay? That's Hook Step Kar Hookah Bar mein. There is he has a hook step, literally. The song requires for there to be a hook step, right? The hook step is he's wearing a jacket. All he does is
Nice.
that is the hook step.
Lesser effort
Yeah.
than
Yes,
Salman
then
Khan
Salman,
in a
exactly what I said,
song.
dude. How can you do
Wow.
lesser effort than Dabang? I do not understand.
Nice.
बट ये इंटेंशनल है, लाइक वो आयरॉनिकली कर
Yeah,
रहा है
yeah.
ना.
100%.
It's
Like,
all-
when the trailer came out, everyone was confused. Okay, is Himesh in on the joke? Because
Yeah.
he
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
seem that smart.
Wow, but turns out
Turns out he's smarter than all of us, dude.
Yeah.
वो कोई अलग ही level पे खेल रहा है, bro.
अंतरिक्ष का भी वही फीलिंग हुआ कि मैं ही चूतिया हूँ.
Yeah,
जो
yeah, correct.
इसको जज किया.
But Himesh Reshammiya trivia, like
Yes.
One of my friends who was a
He used to wear a cap.
creative director.
Great.
Yeah, used to. Then he got hair transplant. But his house, like he's very like obsessed with himself, rightfully so, should be. But like everything in his house is HR labeled, like the door handle, the swimming pool bottom, his like
Toothbrush.
Yeah, toothbrush, his bedding, everything is like
Yeah.
HR.
I imagine if you like get out of a chair in his house, like तेरी chair है क्या? हाँ, नाम लेगा मेरा मैं.
ये मोटिवेशन चाहिए, यही
Yeah,
मिसिंग है
correct.
लाइफ में. दिस इज
Yeah.
द रूल. अगर लाइफ में किसी को भी ऐसा डाउट होता है ना कि क्यों लाइफ सही नहीं चल रही है, लिखा हुआ नहीं है तेरे टॉवल पे तेरा नाम.
That's right.
You know,
Every day
that-
you see, oh, this is me, मेरा घर. I'm the
That's
king.
one person from whose house the maid can never steal anything. Hey, HR का यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
Unless she's like Hitiksha Rumanani or something.
Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
Unless he's Hrithik Roshan is the maid.
HR.
Okay, so let's go. Bobby, what is the most recent movie you've seen?
Recent, so because I'm also a writer, a very good one.
You wrote a movie? Nice. Yeah.
No, guys,
Congrats.
I should have spoken
Yeah,
faster.
yeah, exactly.
But I'm writing like for a promo for a movie, and it's going to be coming up. It's called Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi Kumari. Have you all heard of it?
Sunny Sanskari ki Tulsi
Varun Dhawan, Janvi Kapoor, Manish Paul, Rohit Saraf, Sanya Malhotra, and first they sent a PDF where they're like, this is what the movie is about, and I'm like, oh no, one more flop. But then
Yeah. You said the Starcast. I was like, yeah, that sounds like
no, the
questionable.
Starcast is good. It's
You have
getting
to say that.
recorded. But the PDF did not have Maza in it. But then I saw the clippings from the movie because they're like, you should get a vibe of the movie, and I was like, is this the next Rocky Rani? Like it was really fun.
really good?
Yeah. So
Oh, wow.
just showing that I've
Did you
seen
just watch
stuff
your own promo? Like, हाँ, ये
that
तो
you
अच्छा
guys
काम है.
have not even seen. So मैं जो भी बोलूँगी, you have to believe. It's really nice.
Yeah.
But watch it.
Are you afraid? Like, so have you ever? I've not. Have you ever worked on a film?
I wanted to.
I mean, we all want to,
Circus.
man. Like,
Yeah, I have for
you
sure.
have worked?
Yeah.
So
That's torture. Boredom is torture. वो जेल से भी खराब है भाई. वो आधे घंटे का भी हो, 10 मिनट का भी हो.
Correct.
That's like मेरे को बहुत खराब लगता है वो.
Yeah.
तो मैं इंटरवल में ही निकल जाता हूँ बहुत बार. If I feel कि नहीं है ये यहाँ टाइम वेस्ट करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. I hate when जब मूवी ना थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा होप देती है कि अच्छा हो रहा है
हाँ.
और नहीं होता है, तब देन और बुरा लगता है. तो स्टार्ट से ही जो खराब है, रेस्पेक्ट दैट.
absolutely.
कि
Dude,
उसके बाद भी अगर तुम रुके हो फिर तुम्हारी गलती है. उसने
correct.
पहले हाफ में बिल्कुल दिखा दिया था कि भाई कुछ नहीं होने वाला इधर.
100% agree.
Yeah.
But that's the difference between a pessimist and an optimist. Right?
Oh,
Like, what
yeah.
if it fully changes in the second half?
But what if it doesn't? You wasted another 2 hours of your life then.
I don't think we are doing something that great in our life. कि हम waste कर रहे हैं. Like, look at us. It's 1:15 on
In the afternoon.
Saturday, and we are all sitting here धूप में.
Yes, that's
चलो
exactly
comedy
बट मैं
करते हैं.
मोस्टली पिक्चर कैसे देखा हूँ पता है. मोस्टली मैं जब जा रहा होता हूँ किसी शहर में और मेरे पास रुकने की जगह नहीं होती है, 3 घंटे में फ्लाइट है या कुछ ऐसा है, उस मोमेंट में मैं जाता हूँ. तो मोस्टली टाइम कट करने के लिए आई गो इन द थिएटर फॉर AC. तो उसमें मैं
For AC.
AC है भाई 3 घंटे के लिए और
Yeah,
कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहा है कोई. तो मस्त तुम बैग
Make out
लेके
करने
जाके
के
कोई भी पिक्चर देख लेता हूँ. ऐसे
Nice.
ऐसे प्रॉपर प्लान करके बहुत कम किया कि दोस्तों के साथ जाके, वो बहुत कम हुआ है.
Oh, okay. Fair
Yeah.
enough. What would you say is your most favorite rom-com of all time? If you had to say that.
बर्फी.
Barfi is
बर्फी
great.
बहुत अच्छी
bro.
लगी
Nice.
यार.
Applaud for Barfi. Oh, Sumit made it himself, guys. Yes. Nice.
come
Great choice.
Just for
You're applauding
choosing
the choice.
something.
Now pressure on
ये
Pavi
बंदा
now.
AC के लिए जाता है, मूवी के
Yes.
लिए नहीं. वहाँ पे सबसे बेस्ट AC मिला
Yeah,
होगा. वो
या और मैंने कहा वो इतनी अच्छी निकल गई. ओ माय गॉड. AC भी अच्छा, मूवी अच्छी. वाओ.
और बर्फी भी मिल गई मेरे को. Sorry.
भाई मैं सच में उस पिक्चर में रोया था पहली बार जब जूते के ऊपर सीन जाता है. आई एम लाइक
100%
व्हाट.
dude.
मेरे को रोना
Dude,
क्यों आ रहा
that whole thing where he's doing that act out to Ilyana's character, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's doing that whole thing and all. That is so intense and fucking amazing, dude.
Yeah.
I think he's like at the upper echelon of actors when it comes to
Yeah.
like just acting.
Yeah. just
And
acting.
right now, I think Vicky Kaushal is also there. I'm really excited to watch Chhava. It looks fucking incredible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he is brilliant on all fronts.
I would agree. What is
And bags, huh?
okay. Yeah. Cancel her.
What was the most nice way to say it? Vicky,
Okay.
if you're watching, turn around, bitch. No, but,
What's your favorite rom-com?
Many are there, but right now, to my mind, Hasi to Fasi. Clap, bitch.
Yeah. Ishq Bulawa.
Yeah, songs first
Yes.
of all,
Zain
unconventional
Naseeb, yeah.
love story. Girl with a mental health disorder finally finds love. I was like, ooh, there's hope, right? No, nobody.
Not one buyer, by the way.
है.
Yeah,
बहुत
literally.
स्पेसिफिक है.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
I'm sure
finally-
everyone has seen Hasi to Fasi, but nobody likes it. Is the
Nobody,
problem.
come on, Hasi to Fasi likers? Yeah, so
Yeah,
many.
it's nice, but
Four.
Barfi is
अरे भाई मेरे को विलन क्यों बना रहा भाई. Obviously.
it's his fault. Get him, guys. But yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Hasi to Fasi is
Cute.
not great.
It's so
It is
cute
nice, it's
and
nice.
so
You like it
funny.
actually, dude? I
One
find
second, there
it.
was one scene in Hasi to Fasi. Everybody's watched it? Yeah, right? Like that scene where there are two twin grandmothers who keep getting lost and they don't know कौन सी grandmother वापस है. That's hilarious. Like, come on. बचपन में था ऐसा.
अरे मैं नहीं compete कर रहा भाई. मैंने बोला ही नहीं है खराब है हंसी तो फंसी. ये अंतरिक्ष यार पिटवा के छोड़ेगा.
Okay, no worries. It's all good. So let's get. This is the perfect time to get into the games. We've talked.
एक और चीज मुझे
हाँ,
पूछना है कि वापस से जो रिलीज हुई है पिक्चर कुछ ऐसा तूने देखा जो बहुत पसंद आई?
Oh, yeah,
Re-release.
dude.
या फिर कोई ऐसा पिक्चर है जो you want to re-release again?
Dude, you know, I saw what is that? 47 a love story? No, 47 nahi. What is the year? 42, 942 a love story for the first time. 47. I was like, while independence is happening, while partition is going on.
Yeah.
1942 a love story is brilliant. I had never seen it. It's a Vidhu Vinod Chopra directed movie. He re-released a lot of his films just before 12th Fail came out, just to get like that momentum going. Algorithm. He wanted to get into the algorithm.
Oh. Some blood drive.
Yeah. So he released like Munna Bhai and all came out. So I saw that again in theaters.
Yeah.
I had never seen 1942 a love story. Anil Kapoor, Manisha Koirala, and Jackie Shroff. Incredible. Nana Patekar nahi. Anupam Kher is there. Amazing. One of the best movies talking about the times, you know, just before independence where people had started speaking up, but the movement wasn't fully out there yet.
Yeah.
Amazing, dude. What a great songs, of course, right? Ek ladki ko dekha to,
Yeah.
all those, of course.
They
Incredible.
remade it with Sonam Kapoor also.
Did they? This song?
Yeah.
And-
the whole movie with Rajkumar Rao and Sonam. See, nobody knows about it.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh yeah, correct. That was the
They
name.
remade the whole movie?
Yeah.
They just made a movie called Ek Ladki Ko Dekha Tha.
No, but it was like a... Oh, that's it? Oh, y'all watched? Y'all are really wasted,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Did you just, wow, she just swung. She's like, yeah, nobody's hopefully seen this movie. Maybe I can just make up the plot of it.
I really thought it was a remake. That's why I didn't watch it
Dude,
again.
okay, before we get into the games, last question. What's the most popular movie that you've not seen? Where people are always like, yaar, तूने नहीं देखी कैसे?
बहुत सारी
I've seen Sholay, by the way, I'm just saying. It's weird if I haven't, yeah.
कोई मिल गया.
Yeah, applaud for that, no? That got the reaction.
Actually, बचपन में हम इतने like अमीर नहीं थे तो हम देख नहीं no I was a nerd. I used to study a lot and then
Nerds
used to
के
not
लिए ये
go
वो movie.
for-
Sci-fi is for nerds, वैसे.
Exactly, but my parents were like कि घर
You're
पे
not
बैठ और
nerdy
पढ़ाई
enough.
कर. No, we used to not watch movies
Oh,
as
really?
a like form of entertainment. I don't know what I used to do as a child, but it wasn't movies.
Entertainment.
Yeah, so then by the time everybody had caught up, and then I don't like watching movies alone for AC and also like everybody had seen it, so then I
Yeah.
didn't have anyone to watch it with. So once it is re-released, then you guys
Yeah,
will
yeah,
join
for sure.
me. We'll
I think
go
release
watch
होके
it.
गया है ना?
कोई मिल गया?
No idea.
I think it released already, right? Am I right? Oh, not Koi Mil Gaya?
कहो ना
Okay,
प्यारे,
okay. कहो ना
yeah.
प्यारे, कहो ना प्यारे. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry. Yes, कहो ना
It's
प्यारे.
another Rohit.
Oh, yeah, correct. Another Ritik also. Another HR.
Correct, Joe.
What about you? What would you
बहुत
say?
सारी है. Godfather, John Wick.
हाँ.
नहीं देखी है
Okay.
मैंने.
बॉलीवुड शो है, बॉलीवुड में बात कर.
बॉलीवुड
नहीं, ठीक है
बॉलीवुड
यार,
में भी बहुत सारे फेमस होंगे जो मैंने नहीं देखी है. लाइक बहुत वियर्ड.
बर्फी?
बर्फी देखी. मैंने रिसेंटली इसलिए मैंने पूछा तो तुम्बाड़ मैंने वापस से देखी एंड इट वाज लाइक रियली
Incredible. तू theatre में देखी release?
या वापस से.
Oh,
मैंने
bro.
पहली बार भी देखा था बट उस टाइम पे थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस खराब हो गया था क्योंकि पीछे कुछ लोग हाँ हॉरर इज लाइक अगर पीछे अगर एक ग्रुप बैठ गया पूरे
They're being loud and all, you can't
या
do
या
that, dude.
पूरे टाइम कमेंट्री चल रही तो मैं
ए क्या है रे हंसता है रे निकल यहाँ से
Yeah,
क्या है
वो खराब हो गया था. फिर मैं दोबारा रिलीज हुई तो एकदम बिल्कुल 4 लोगों के साथ तमीज के साथ देखी मैंने और फिर मैंने कहा अच्छा
Yeah, re-release
Greed.
is always a great experience because it's meant for the fans, right?
Yeah.
So only people who are passionate about the movie.
And the hero
are gonna watch it.
and heroine may show up and start dancing
Yeah,
in
that's
front
correct.
of you.
Only
which
if you're
is
in
like-
Lokhandwala side or something. Doesn't usually happen in
Yeah.
fucking
Or
Ghatkopar.
Gati is like a
Gate is also, yes,
actor's
correct.
favorite
Correct.
spot.
Absolutely right. You know, Andaz Apna is gonna re-release
Yes.
in April.
अच्छा
Right.
Yeah, boy, everybody, let's meet you all
Let's
there.
make a pact. Let's all go together.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make a pact. No.
Make up.
Let's go, guys. Start with the games.
Yeah,
Yes. Start with
let's
the
go.
games. Start with the games. Let's start. Yeah, I didn't beg for that applaud. Yes. Great. The first game we're going to be playing is a very awesome game, very simple game. It's called Bollywood in Jeopardy. All right? How this game works is basically I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular mainstream film and you have to buzz in.
Okay.
The buzzer is your mouth. So you have to buzz
Okay,
in with a
okay.
unique
Okay.
mouth sound that you make.
Okay, yeah.
Is that your buzzer? Pen?
Yeah, yeah.
That
Pah.
mouth sound. That'll hurt the ears. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. And yours is pan.
Pah.
Okay. How this game works, I will read out the Google Plot description. You have to buzz in with your mouth sound and tell me what the movie is. But
Okay.
you have to say the answer in the form of a question because this is the Jeopardy angle of it.
Ooh.
Because some of these are very easy, so you will see why the Jeopardy angle is there. But you have to say it as a question, like, is this the movie Dil Chahta Hai? Is this movie
okay.
Baghban? Is this the plot of
Okay.
fucking whatever? Kyunki main jhoot nahi bolta. Whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, that's how it goes. Each question is for 5 marks, and if you don't get it in the first go, I will give you a hint, which will be for half the points.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's
Let's
start with the
go.
game. The first
Done.
question is ready, guys? Everybody ready? Yes, they all said yes. All right, let's go. The first question. Keep your buzzers at the ready, good people. Let me read it out. A video game company inadvertently creates and lets loose into the real world a single-minded villain obsessed with defeating his arch nemesis. You will go first. His arch nemesis, a young child in this fast-paced sci-fi action thriller.
Is this Ravan?
It is absolutely Ravan. Yes. Yes. Full 5 points. Full 5 points. Also, by the way, if at any point even after the hint round the contestants aren't able to answer, then it throws to the audience. So the audience is also playing along. It has happened on multiple episodes that the audience has beat at least one contestant. Sometimes even both contestants get beat by the audience.
Okay.
And Amjad is gawah to all of that
तो
because
होता क्या है ऑडियंस को पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं
audience को points मिलते हैं. Yeah.
और वो
They also-
पॉइंट्स
Like
एंड
they-
में दे सकते हैं ना कि आई वांट टू गिव दिस पॉइंट टू
Oh,
सुमित
no.
व्हाट्स द
What is
पॉइंट
this?
देन
They are playing along. They're playing
अरे
literally a third
यार.
contestant if you
I
guys
need a
don't answer.
team.
Just to humiliate you.
And
ये
यार
भी नहीं
मैं
आता.
पवित्रा के साथ compete कर रहा हूँ तू देख रहा है इधर बॉलीवुड
That's true.
के बारे में like it's unfair
Don't
but
worry,
guys
it's all good.
hint दे देना मुझे धीरे धीरे
That's all right. That's ठीक है.
चलो
चलो. Next one. Keep your buzzers ready. The town of Dash is being haunted again. This time, you will go first, but I will complete the question. This time, women are mysteriously abducted by a terrifying headless entity. Once again, it is up to Dash and his friends to save their town and loved ones.
Is this 3-2?
Yes, it is 3-2. Absolutely right. Again, full 5 points. Yes, very nice.
Thank you.
Have you guys
I'd
seen 3-2?
appreciate
The town
louder
में उसने बोल दिया।
applause. Thank you. Thank you. God, stop it, guys. मैं कपड़े हटा दूंगी. It's very exciting.
Oh, sorry, क्या बोल रहा
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि क्योंकि मैं डिसलेक्सिक हूँ
था? Oh.
तो जब तक मैं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ द टाउन पे तुझे कैसे आ गया यार उसने टाउन ही बोला था
Okay, let me hide it.
हॉन्टेड में कितने पिक्चर हैं यस
Let me hide it from you.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला इससे बट
Let me hide it from you guys also.
Let's try
And
that
let's see if
also.
this makes any difference.
मैं कह रहा हूँ
Okay.
कि तुझे द टाउन पे अच्छा तूने पढ़ लिया था पूरा या
It's there in front, so I'll read.
No, look ahead.
मुलगी शिकली
No reading.
प्रगति सारी.
यार
Hey, चलो next one. Keep it buzz. 3-2 देखी by the way.
हाँ देखिए
कैसी लगी?
बढ़िया थी मुझे
हाँ
मस्त
मस्त है यार बहुत.
Guess
बड़ा
what?
बड़ा
मैंने
बना है.
देखी भी नहीं है, पर मुझे सब रील्स पे मैंने
Oh,
देखी.
alright. Wow, okay.
फ्लेक्स
Secret of-
फुल फ्लेक्स
Yeah, bro. चलो next
So
one.
now no see.
Yeah.
Everybody does this.
Next one. Buzzers ready. When the disappearance of a policewoman's son threatens to ruin Dash's family. Yes, you'll go first. You'll go first. But let me finish the question. Guys, you can't shout the answer. What is this? Wow. Drishyam, was it Drishyam? Was it really? Yeah. Ajay Devgan movie, guys.
मैंने सुना नहीं क्या बोला तुम लोगों ने
क्या बोला?
कुछ तो बोला तुम लोगों ने
Yeah, but I'll give you, man. You obviously knew that.
आई थिंक
Get out. Oh, sorry.
ये अवॉइड कर सकते हो
You
Yeah.
you are. Wow.
Yeah.
Let's,
नहीं,
can
नहीं,
we
नहीं,
applaud
Yeah.
for the fairness, the goodness?
Yeah.
In
But give it to him.
No.
Yeah.
It's not
Yeah.
fair.
Earlier it was Balraj is so nice, Sumit is so nice now.
मैं
Others was
बाजीगर बोलने
cancelled.
वाला था दोस्तों तो कम ऑन ये तो
Alright. Cool. Next one.
नेक्स्ट वन
No, not doing fair. Not doing fair. Not doing fair. Nobody gets points on that one.
सच्चाई.
या
ऐसे तो तुम सब आंसर करोगे.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं चाहिए. क्या वाह. एक तो ये तुम उनको उंगली दो हाथ पकड़ लेते हैं लोग. Okay, चलो next one. You buzz ready? We number 4. A rich businessman does not want his 3 daughters to get married because of a superstitious belief. Now their boyfriends must prove to him that they are perfect for his daughters. I'll read that again. A rich businessman does not want his 3 daughters to get married because of a superstitious belief. Now their boyfriends must prove to him that they are perfect for his daughters.
ये पिक्चर मैंने देखी है बट नाम याद नहीं
Possibly so. Wait. Possibly so. अगर नहीं आ रहा,
Daughter.
then I'll give you a hint. Any guess? So there are no negative points. Any guess at
There
all?
is no अच्छा ये अक्षय कुमार की पिक्चर लग रही है सही कुछ है
I'll read it one last time. A rich businessman does not want his 3 daughters to get married because of a superstitious belief. Now their boyfriends must, guys, please. Now their boyfriends must prove to him that they are perfect for his daughters.
I'd like a hint.
Okay.
हाउसफुल
Houseful. Is it Houseful 2?
2 3 4
3 is right. Yes.
ये
you got it.
oh my god
He didn't ask it as a question.
He
Is
did
this
not.
Houseful 3?
He did not ask it as a question.
So I get it.
अरे
So
is
I'll let you
this
steal.
इसने बोला
I'll let you steal.
Is this Houseful 3?
Yes, it is Houseful 3. Yes, correct.
rigged है भाई ये गेम rigged है ये what is this
Yeah. Give him the finish one. No. That's
Don't
just
be
fun.
biased, huh? Your score. Yeah, if you keep score. Yeah.
Okay. Next one. That's fun. Great. Okay. So now you understand why we have the question mark rule, because people get excited and forget to ask the question. So. that's
इसने
it.
बोला any guesses तेरा क्या है भाई
Next one. Buzz again. Are you ready? Raj is a lawyer who finds great success with his countless fibs. However, when his son wishes for his father to stop lying, Raj is magically forced. Sumit.
क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं
He didn't
बोलता
ask you the question again.
अरे क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता भी एक क्वेश्चन है
Sure.
Is this?
और नहीं तो is this क्योंकि मैं झूठ
झूठ
नहीं बोलता
क्या?
हाँ क्या बोलने वाला था यार एंड में मैं
Sure.
क्वेश्चन खत्म नहीं हुआ था
Yes. Is
Is this-
क्योंकि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता.
Oh man, Sumit, dude, that's a sad. Sorry, buddy.
Same mistake in the same second. Is this your bad luck? That's
मेरे को
how you
क्या
know
बोलने का
question.
मौका ही नहीं दिया उसने यार क्या ये पिक्चर यही है मैं बोलने वाला था एंड में यार बट ठीक है
Yeah, क्योंकि वो झूठ नहीं बोलता ही है ना. Yeah, that's the one. Correct. Okay,
Just
next
can
one.
we give him 2.5 for both the questions? Ka
Let
mix?
it be man let
Hey,
it
man.
be that's the rule
Yeah.
ठीक है
He
I'll play
has
with the
pride.
rule
He has pride
ऑडियंस
and
को
honor.
पता है who
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
पता है कि मैं स्मार्टर हूँ क्योंकि मैं गेम सही से खेल रही हूँ.
that's true
All right. Next one. Buzz is ready. We'll do 1 or 2 more in this one because how much time do we have? Okay, we'll quickly do 1 more in this one. The last one in this game is as follows. Dash loses his wife and son when 2 bank robbers steal their car in a bid to run. Devastated by the incident, Dash decides to take revenge on the culprits, Dash and Dash, for killing his family. So it's a revenge story. Dash loses his wife and son when 2 bank robbers steal their car in a bid to run. Devastated by the incident, Dash decides to take revenge on the culprits, Dash and Dash, for killing his family.
Is this Equivalent?
Nope, it is not equivalent.
is this a Wednesday
It is not a Wednesday. So now I'll give you a hint. What I'll give you a hint is that the 2 culprits, one of the 2 culprits, Dash and Dash, for killing the family, one of the 2 culprits is played by Vinay Pathak. That's
Okay.
the more less popular actor from the 2 Dashes. That's why I've given you guys that. Vinay Pathak. This is for 2.5 points if you can get it here. Okay, chalo.
Serious movie.
Then for 1.5 points, I'll tell you.
हाँ.
The second robber is played by Nawazuddin Siddiqui. It's a Nawaz,
Okay.
Vinay Pathak. And then one more person whose wife and son these guys kill. And now he's after revenge.
I know this इसका गाना बहुत सुना है
Think
यार
more
मैंने।
about the word revenge.
Is this बदला
Yeah, no.
बदलापुर
Yes.
is this बदलापुर
Yes, it is.
ओ भाई क्या कर रहा भाई ये
भाई, क्या कर
oh
रहा
my god
I want to give you points, dude.
oh, nice
It's okay.
but yeah.
What? Let's.
इसमें भी डिस्काउंट
1.5.
oh my
1.5.
god
1.5.
पौने 1.5 पॉइंट लेके जा रहा हूँ यार ये क्या है भाई
Yeah.
ठीक है let's-
That also you're getting not 1.25, 1.5 because 0.25 will be too difficult to calculate later in the
Yeah,
episode.
yeah.
That's the only reason. Okay, that was the end of this game, guys. Very cool, very fun.
Yeah, done.
Very well done. Very well done.
I wonder who won this round.
Let's hear the scores
I
after
don't want
round
to
1.
know
Was that fun, guys? You have a good time? Yeah, you understand now. There are more games coming up, and each game is different, and they're all originals that get copied on other shows, but not on this show. Okay, these games get copied on other shows. That's what happens. Go ahead.
At the end of the first round, the audience was on 0. With a massive lead, Sumit is at 1.5.
It is infinitely more than 0.
Pavitra is in first place with 20.
20?
20.
20 and 1.
Like
Dominating.
my age.
Dominating.
Nice.
All right. Next one is very simple. The next game
Oh,
is
I
called
love
the name
pictures.
game. Very simple. How the game works is I will say the name of a popular actor or actress and ask you to name movies or songs of that actor or actress.
Okay.
Like say I say give me movies of Amitabh Bachchan. Then one by one, this means the audience also plays along. One by one, you guys name one movie of Amitabh Bachchan and then keeps going. The circle
Or
keeps going.
song also.
No. Depends on the question. The, movie,
Okay,
the question says, give me movies of this person, then you give me
Okay.
movies. If it says, sing me song, then you sing songs. But one by one,
Okay.
and so the circle continues till one person runs out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay? Now, the thing is, the audience is
You
too
mean
large.
till Sumit runs?
We'll see, man. We'll see. Wow. Now, you're being too cocky.
Yeah.
If
Only-
you do get it wrong, we'll be hilarious. If you do get it, if you don't get it.
I'll do it for the joke. Not because I ran out
That's
of
the
it.
only reason. Yes. A great excuse also you got
Yeah,
wrong. Okay.
yeah. I'm always
So the thing is,
prepared.
the audience are too many people. So we'll have
Okay.
one person from the audience play along here. Let's have.
Him, he's so relaxed. I want
raised
him
his
to
hand
get
up.
nervous.
What's the name, man?
Right.
Bright?
Bright.
What? Bright.
It's Roy.
Bright Roy? Bright is your name.
B.
B. Bright.
Not squash, right?
Then P.
Yeah.
Pride. P-R.
Bright. Like how? What this light is right now?
Bright.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, dude. Yeah. And your brother is intellectual. Smarty pants is the next guy.
Nice.
Oh, do you have siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, Sumit.
देख पेरेंट्स कितने एक का नाम ब्राइट रखा है, एक का नाम सुमित रखा है. क्लियरली
it's
पता है कि
actually,
किसको
it's
नहीं
actually
पसंद है.
Sumite. He changed it up. You really brothers? He's
No,
fucking with you?
it's like joking, man.
Yeah, then do you have siblings, by the way?
I do have.
What are the, if I can ask, what is his or her name?
His name is Baran Roy. But
Huh?
Baran, it's a we are Bengali family, so
Oh.
Okay, Baran?
that's a Boron actually. It's
Like,
Bengali.
they're saying moron, but in Bengali.
Bad joke, but I will.
horrible joke, dude. Please, horrible, so bad. Okay, cool, fair enough. Okay. So Bright will play along with us. Okay, so it'll be the first round can start with Pavi, then go on to Sumit, and then to Bright, and then back to Pavi and Sumit and Bright, and the next round will be Sumit first, then Pavi, and then Bright. So that'll be the circle reverse. Okay.
Acha.
Done.
So everyone gets it's like kind of equal. All right, let's go. The name game. The first one is as follows. Give me movies of Salman Khan. Very easy. Movies of Salman Khan. Pavi, name one.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
एक था टाइगर.
Yes.
Bhagwan.
Bagban ho gaya? Yeah.
टाइगर जिंदा है.
Yes, correct.
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Ah, yes.
Karan Arjun.
Karan Arjun.
Karan Arjun returns. No, just kidding.
They do return, by the way. That's
वो
the movie.
वापस
Again,
आएंगे.
plot you to read it. Spoiler alert, guys.
बजरंगी भाईजान.
Yes, absolutely. Right.
Okay.
Yeah, great.
Hangover.
Thinking pause. Nice. I
Hangover.
like it. Hangover? Yes, yes, correct. Tubelight, yes, correct.
ट्यूबलाइट. प्यार किया तो डरना क्या.
Yeah, correct. I love that movie.
I didn't
Bodyguard.
have to dance,
Huh?
but
Bodyguard.
Bodyguard, yes.
कुछ कुछ होता है is done. I
Yeah,
said
that's
it.
right.
Ooh.
Yeah. Quick. Another?
Oh, he gets another chance.
It's 30 seconds each time. I'll make it actually 20 seconds each time. Huh?
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया anything.
Again, helping, huh?
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया.
Okay, मैंने प्यार क्यों किया? Oh, she said मैंने प्यार किया. He's like, no, I didn't copy. I said मैंने प्यार क्यों किया? Serious.
Sallu यार, it is ये.
गया. Tick 1,
20 seconds.
tick 2, tick
Well,
3.
so he's
About
doing
12
tick
seconds.
in his
About
own
12 seconds left.
time.
10 seconds left.
Where? Which one have we reached at?
2, 1, and 0. Sumit and the audience get full 5 points here. Very
Yeah.
cool, Sumit, man. Very nice. Did you have another one ready by any chance?
तेरे नाम.
Tere naam, no entry.
No entry. I don't know, just
Yes,
blank.
Judwa.
Tiger 1 and 2 was done, 3 was left.
3 was left actually, yes.
Pathan.
Dabang 2, Dabang 3.
Yeah, everything.
Yes.
It's just
On the spot, your
Yeah.
face was working. This is what it is.
Guys,
Game
I
quiz
was
guy.
playing the joke that I was telling
Yeah.
her about. Now that is
Correct.
done,
Yeah.
I will be back into my element.
Yeah, she lost for the joke, guys. Of course.
But none
Not
of
because
you
she
all
didn't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next is
Let's go. Next one. This one will start with Sumit, then Pavi, and then Bright. All right. Sing me songs of the great Himesh Reshamya. Him as a singer. Himesh
Him
Reshamya
as a singer.
Yes.
तेरा 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 सुरूर.
Tak tanana tandoori nights, tandoori nights.
आशिक बनाया
Full clap.
Sing, please.
बनाया आपने तेरे बिन सूनी सूनी है रातें तेरे बिन प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें तेरे बिन असर मेरी आंखें.
This guy was born for this. He was Bright was born for
Wait
this.
कर रहा था वो.
Yeah, wow. He was preparing
Yeah.
for this, dude. This is his
मेरा
audition or
टाइम
something.
आने दो भाई.
Yeah, wow. Bro, are you a singer?
I'm a singer songwriter. Yeah.
You're a singer-songwriter. Wow, dude. Fucking A. Let's hear an original. No. So, you really have originals?
But sing it when I'm thinking.
He's like,
I'll get more
time. Very cool, dude. What a wonderful voice, man. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
You know this is not latent again, right? Sorry. This is like the 5th time making that. Okay. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, आपकी कशिश.
आपकी कशिश.
Oh.
Wow, wow. Oh, everyone's gonna show off now. Everyone's gonna show off now.
नाम है तेरा तेरा नाम है तेरा
दिल
तेरा.
की.
That's
Yeah.
right.
आपकी खातिर
Okay. Enough. Relax, bro. तू जा ले रहा है यार. चिल कर दो यार लाइफ में.
Yeah, ये भी.
He's ready to
Yeah,
sing
he's
the
ready
entire
भाई.
song.
It's like मेरे को मौका दे. नीचे से लोग आ रहे हैं भाई. ये 8 घंटे का शो कैसे हो गया भाई? ऑडियंस को इतना कैसे?
यार गाना
4 घंटे तो इसी ने गाया भाई यहाँ पे. यार.
But incredible, bro.
Yep.
Also, Aapki Khatir is such a rare song, dude. Like
Yeah.
people don't talk about it enough. I love that movie. I love that
Yeah.
song. Fucking incredible.
Yeah. But पहली बार में पता चल गया था. You can sing. Why you had to?
It wasn't a fluke.
Yeah.
You're trying to say it's not a fluke.
Yeah.
It's
I can
like,
do this.
yeah. He was like,
Yeah.
कि भाई हूँ मैं. ठीक
Yes,
है.
correct.
Singer बोला
Abhi
तो हूँ
next
भाई.
one, he'll write his own Himesh song and give it to us. I can write also.
Yeah. ये वीरानिया.
Again, dude, excellent. The whole playlist is awesome.
Yeah.
Namaste, London.
I love you, Sayoni.
I
I
love
love you, Sayoni. कोई
Okay.
शक? What's
What's
up?
I won't sing Samjhona. That's it.
No, sing
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Sing. अब now you sing.
कुछ तो समझो ना.
Alright.
समझ गया. गाना आता है.
तक तनाना तंदूरी नाइट्स.
Tandoori nights हो गया.
अरे भाई.
The other one. The sequel.
या हुक्का बार.
हाँ.
तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार.
Yeah. Oh.
No touching, no
No touching.
touching.
Only
Only
seeing.
kissing,
Only
only
seeing.
seeing, only
No
seeing.
touching, only kissing.
Udit ji song.
That's a
sorry.
very
No kissing,
favorite
no
song.
kissing.
And then after
Only
this, he's like,
seeing.
क्योंकि बस में नहीं मेरा मन, मैं क्या करूँ? Man, it's so sad that
Yeah.
you know if something like this happens to these kind of this level of singers, right?
Yeah.
Half your childhood is gone, dude.
Yeah.
Because they are so imbued in Bollywood, you can't get away from them. It's
Yeah.
just this is what it is.
Really, you can't get away physically from Udit
He
ji.
pulls you back,
It's
dude. He pulls you back. It's crazy.
crazy.
Let's do one more each. This is going on for a
Yeah.
while. This is great.
बट ये कैसे चलेगा? एक चलता रहेगा ये.
नहीं नहीं बस एक और करते हैं.
एक
खत्म
और
हो जाए.
करते हैं.
हाँ तूने बोल दिया ना तूने क्या
नहीं यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ
Mine was
था.
no touching, no.
नो टचिंग. हाँ सॉरी योर्स.
So this is ये तेरा मेरा मिलना.
Sing it.
ये तेरा मेरा मिलना.
हाँ ओके.
गाने दे भाई. गा दे भाई मेरे को नेक्स्ट टाइम.
अभी सेकंड लाइन
का खिलना. ये है खुदा की मर्जी. यूं ही नहीं है यार.
क्या बात है
Can
भाई.
we all have him sing a song and then we
Yeah.
will like lip sync?
Yeah.
यस.
So it looks like we are all
नेक्स्ट पता है
incredible
तुझे?
singers.
नेक्स्ट का कौन सा है? एक और नेक्स्ट का बता. हाँ.
Okay.
नहीं
हाँ,
नहीं नहीं
wait,
नहीं
wait,
नहीं 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 नहीं.
Oh God.
Cheat करा रहा है.
चल मुझे नहीं पता. I'm giving.
You're done. You're done.
Yeah,
with
yeah, I'm
Himesh?
done. I'm done.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट क्या है बता?
Okay, cool.
Nice, nice.
One of my favorite Himesh songs is Chakkana, 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 Chakkana. Whatever that word is. All right, cool. That was 5 points for Pavi and Bright and the audience.
Right. Nice.
Very cool. So Bright is playing for the audience. Huh? So you guys got points. Clap for Bright for being this bright. All right, very awesome. Bright, तेरे को बहुत मजाक उड़ा रहा है ना तेरे कॉलेज में?
Sorry?
People made fun of you a lot, what, for your name?
No, they actually applauded.
Again, he's making something up.
But is this your stage name or
This is
something?
my stage name is BRITE and my official name is GHT.
Oh.
Official name is?
BRIGHT.
Oh, GHT.
Stage
Okay.
name is
Bright.
BRIT.
Scotch Bright वाला, Bright. Okay, huh? All right.
Alrighty.
ठीक है, चलो. Now, this was the regular part of the name game. All right, there's an advanced part, which
Okay.
is now situation based. Okay, right? Basically, you will see how it works. Very simple enough. The first one is give me movies that star real life couples. Like the couples who are like a couple in real life, the actors who are couples in real life, starring in a movie. Let's start with Sumit. No, let's start with.
Me. I
Yeah.
mean, you started with him, so it'll start
Yeah, now this one starts with you.
with me. So, Brahmastra.
Yes, absolutely. Right.
Okay, like that.
तेरे को क्या लगा भाई?
अरे भाई.
Is audience also playing this one?
Yeah, Bright is there.
Oh.
Okay. प्यार तो होना ही था.
Yes, absolutely. Ajay and Kajol, yes.
Bajirao Mastani.
Bajirao Mastani, yes. Ranveer Devi.
Correcto. Padmawat.
Yes, correct.
Also
Fair enough.
had
Absolutely fair. 15 seconds more.
आ ही नहीं रहा यार. रियल लाइफ किसने
What, 10
किसने
seconds
शादी
more?
कर ली है भाई. शोर.
Oh, yes. Patralekha and Rajkumar. Absolutely right. Wow. Great, dude. What a pull.
Dil Lagi Dharmendra Himali.
Yeah. Wow. Nice.
Golio ki Rasleela.
Ramleela.
Ramleela.
Okay.
जहाँ इश्कियाँ इश्कियाँ.
कौन है और शादीशुदा भाई? आ ही नहीं रहा हीरो.
Oh, so they can be dating also.
Oh, they can be dating
Yeah,
also.
Yeah.
अच्छा तब भी नहीं आ रहा यार. Easy
Oh,
कर
अच्छा.
दिया इसने.
Can be हो. Shit, पहले बोला था यार.
तो मैं कोई भी अच्छा they can be dating also. Rumor भी हो सकता है ना dating they are dating. What's your राशि?
Oh, yes.
I mean, they were definitely dating. Yeah. So I'll accept
Yeah.
it, man. What are you gonna do?
Buddy,
Yeah, correct,
come
correct.
on.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
इतने weird क्यों आ रहे हैं मुझे?
Right. प्यार का डरना क्या? Yes, again. Oh wait.
क्या तो डरना क्या मैं
Dude,
हूँ?
प्यार का डरना क्या is Salman and Kajol.
Kajol. Do you know some gossip?
Yeah, do you know
Spill. Fuck this game. Spill.
Huh? Sholay, Dharmender and Hemani. Okay.
Oh,
And Amitabh, correct, of course. Yes.
Amitabh Rekha. That Chup Mahi Chup Hai Ranja
That-
movie.
that
और ये वाला यार.
ये वाला तो
अपना-
बिल्कुल सही है.
He's looking at the watch and
No,
all.
it's because we have.
I'll tell you. Actually, this apna yes boss, because at that time there were rumors of Shah Rukh and Juhi
Hey, I think you
Chawla
just make this up
doing
for
it.
everyone.
No, I swear they had a thing
कसम
going
माँ
on there.
कसम.
Yeah, I promise you. Go check it.
So
Reddit.
the thing is, Shah Rukh and Juhi, I think, have been like the closest of friends for the longest of times because they have business
Wow, how
together.
do you think it started? Pyar dosti hai. Okay, just remember that.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I think I
पवी उन दोनों को भी कन्विंस कर देगी.
I
तुम
put
लोग
a-
हो रिलेशनशिप
you know, like,
में.
अब मैंने अपने ही पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी मार दी
You said
because
dating,
by
yeah.
saying dating and all rumors
Yeah.
is allowed now. कुछ भी
Of
चलता है.
course, it's always speculated.
Say any Imran Hashmi movie.
Oh man. सलमान भाई का भी नहीं हो सकता है.
तो origin है बेचारे. Yes.
Yeah.
Can
सिलसिला.
ये चाहत का. Yes.
All three.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, right. In real life, that was like that's how it happened.
Oh yeah.
Jaya and Amitabh. Yeah, correct.
Oh, I thought Ritik and Kareena.
Oh.
Yeah, Kareena and Saif. Talash.
Arre! Wow.
Yeah,
There's
yeah,
more
yeah,
kind of stuff. Yeah. Think about it.
No. Kites.
Oh, Ritika and Barbara.
Barbara.
और ऋतिक एंड कंगना
Kangana. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
भाई
Ritik Kangana definitely.
DP.
Okay, let's do one more each and then get it done. Tashan, of course, Saif and Kareena.
Oh nice.
Yeah. Also Akshay and Anil.
What?
No.
कुछ भी भाई.
Okay. This अभी तो आया मेरे दिमाग में. हम किसकी बात कर रहे थे? तेरे वाले में कौन थे जो डेट कर रहे थे?
कितने दूर से आ रही है भाई तू तीसरे कॉन्वर्सेशन से उधर से आया था.
नहीं मेरा अब भी दिमाग में आ
Yeah,
गया
this
कि
is
कैसे-
not quiz.
So this yellow light is
Yeah.
like an interrogation light, full
Yeah,
blank हो
correct,
जाता है.
yeah,
Whatever I
that's it,
thought. Also bright.
Bright.
Two bright people at me. I'll tell you.
About 10
That Ajnabi. No. Yeah, Ajnabi में also.
No.
Oh, I'll tell you. ये दंगल because उसमें आमिर खान and
Oh.
Sania, not
Wow.
Sania, Fatima
Sanashik. That was a
Sanashik.
good one. Man.
Yeah.
Okay, so last एक और बोल
हीरोपंती.
Heropanti is
दिशा पाटनी and
Tiger.
टाइगर श्रॉफ.
Okay, they were dating or?
Actually, I've heard other things.
हीरोपंती 2 में भी नहीं थे क्या वो लोग?
Again, this
Bye.
one, I think this round has gone
या
away from
बागी
me.
है राइट शिट यार.
Yeah. चलो
Yeah?
ठीक है यार.
So?
This is loose. This is very loose. This
So,
was not a great round. I should not have allowed dating
Yeah.
and rumors and all. Absolutely not. Should have
पूरे
really
चेंज
allowed-
कर दिया रूल्स पूरा.
Yeah, correct. Last one do you have?
Yeah, I will go for an old movie, Jugnu, Dharmendra Mewali.
Okay, cool. That's everyone gets 10 points there. Okay, the thing
All
is,
of us get it.
yeah, everyone gets. Let's just do it. The thing is, I had one more. That's a very good question actually. I had, but the thing is, we have to get to the third game because we are like cut
Okay.
on time.
Okay.
So we will get to our final game for this episode, guys. This is a very short episode, unfortunately so. But this is, there are other shows happening here, so please do make sure to attend those as
Yes.
well. All right. The next game and the last game of this episode is called Versus. How this game works is I will read out the lyrics of the second verse of a very popular mainstream song.
Okay.
You might ask why the second verse? Why is the second verse so important? The second verse is the least heard part of any song, if you think about it. Right? If you're like listening to music like on the radio, they'll often skip the second verse. No DJ ever plays the second verse ever. I don't think you even know it exists. If you're listening to music yourself, you're like, haan, theek hai, ho gaya after the first one and move on to the next song, right? So very often the
Yes.
second verse gets skipped. So that's why I'm going to read the lyrics of the second verse of very popular songs as a piece of poetry, off tune.
Okay.
And you guys have to, again, this is a buzzer round. You have to make a buzzer sound with your mouth each time.
Bang.
And whoever buzzes in first gets to go first. You don't have to ask it as a question this time. You can just say the answer. Sumit,
बच
Ooh.
गया भाई.
great. Yeah.
बच
And if
गया.
you ask it
And
as a
सुमित को
question,
trauma
you
आएगा,
lose
वो अभी भी
points.
question ही पूछेगा उसको trauma के साथ. Okay, it's okay, easy enough.
Yeah.
And then if you don't get it in the first go, there's a hint round where
Okay.
I'll tell you what the hint round is. And even at the hint, if you guys don't get, then it throws to the audience again. Okay.
ठीक है.
Take it. Also, let's give a huge round of applause for Bright for playing with us for the last game. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, you can hand the mic back off to Navneet right there. Navneet, mic le. All right, the next one. The next game, versus. Let's go. Song number 1. Keep your buzzers ready. The song ka lyrics are as follows. हाँ चलो अब दूर यहाँ से, पहाड़ों से भी आगे, जहाँ पर सुबह जागे. हो बड़े सब कहते हैं ये, चुनो अच्छे हम साए, समझ के जो समझाए. रो रो के रातों में आंखें भी खाली की. यस.
आओ सुनाओ
No, not.
प्यार की
आओ सुनाऊं प्यार की एक
कहानी.
not that. Sumit, you are still playing. You can't answer till the hint round now.
Best.
Okay, so Pavi can't answer till the hint round. Sumit, I'll read again for you. हाँ चलो अब दूर यहाँ से, पहाड़ों से भी आगे, वो जहाँ पर सुबह जागे. हो बड़े सब कहते हैं ये, चुनो अच्छे हम साए, समझ के जो समझाए. रो रो के रातों में आंखें भी खाली की, लिख लिख के तारीखें दीवारें काली की. Okay, I can read one more
एक बार और
part.
पढ़ना है.
One more part
One
also.
more.
So you want
अच्छा,
me to-
one more part
one
is
more
there?
part I can
हाँ,
read.
yes,
Which
please.
is चुप कर बलिए, भाग ले चुप चुप कर बलिए, दुनिया से भागे दुनिया में,
चुप कर बलिए चुप चुप कर बलिए ना 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 यही वाला गाना है बट आई डोंट नो
What are you singing? I have no idea what that tune was right now.
ना ना ना
That's धूम मचाले.
नहीं नहीं चुप कर बलिए तेरा ना
Should I read again? Should I read again?
नहीं नहीं रुक जा भाई मैंने
Okay,
गाना पकड़ लिया अब तेरा ना 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 बलिए बलिए है ना नहीं ओ दिस इज अ वेरी अच्छा मैं दूसरे गाना पे
Okay, I'll read again one last time. Again, Pavi, sorry you're still out
Yeah.
right now. For Sumit.
भाई क्या प्रिविलेज
For Sumit. हाँ चलो अब दूर यहाँ से पहाड़ों से भी आगे जहाँ पर सुबह जागे हो बड़े सब कहते हैं ये चुनो अच्छे हम साए समझ के जो समझाए रो रो के रातों में आंखें भी खाली की लिख लिख के तारीखें दीवारें काली की चुप कर बलिए भाग ले चुप चुप कर बलिए दुनिया से भागे दुनिया में.
पास यार कुछ भी
Okay.
नहीं है
So now how it works is I will, for half the points, I will half sing each of these lines. For half the points. Okay? So
एंड बजर
again, you have to buzz in. If you the second you recognize the song, just buzz in and let me know what the song is. Alright? हाँ चलो अब दूर यहाँ से पहाड़ों से भी आगे वो जहाँ पर सुबह जागे हो बड़े सब कहते हैं ये चुनो अच्छे हम साए समझ के जो या
Na 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 na
Yes.
na 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 na
Wow,
na
you're-
na 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 na
चुप कर बलिए
chup chup kar. This is Kareena Kapoor. I can do the steps, but I don't know. Na 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 da 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 da. I don't know if I have to do a
You can
hair
still
flip
if
also
you can
to
buzz in
feel
if you recognize it at any point. Huh?
कोई
na na
idea
na
नहीं
na
भाई.
na 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 na
Yeah.
na 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 na.
हाँ,
मर
पे-
जानी,
पे- पे-
मर
अरे
जानी.
yes
I died.
yeah
That was incredible. Incredible. 2.5 points for Pavi right there. That was very cool.
nice
Stole the
Very
table
cool.
from
Very cool.
it was the moment
Okay.
yeah
Okay. Chalo. Next one. Keep your buzzers ready again. Okay.
It's so weird to keep your buzzer ready. You're like,
Yours is literally that. Okay. Buzzers again at the ready. The next song का second verse का lyrics are as follows. मेरे महबूब समझिए ज़रा मौके की नज़ाकत मेरे महबूब समझिए ज़रा मौके की नज़ाकत कि खरीदी नहीं जा सकती हसीनों की इजाज़त कि खरीदी नहीं जा सकती हसीनों की इजाज़त नाज इतना मेरी जान नाज इतना भी नहीं खोखले वादों पे कीजिए
पेपे
यस
this is मुझे गाना पता है
yes don't help her if you
Yeah,
know
yeah,
it yet
yeah,
but
yeah.
please it would be great if you can think out loud to some degree so there's no complete silence.
oh man this is okay रुक जाओ मुझे गाना पड़ेगा तुम्हारी तरह ही
Okay. Should I read again? Because it'll be the same for both of you. I can see. I'll read again just for saying.
मत कर कुछ मेरे को आगे आज की रात
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, bro. Full 5, man.
this is which
आज
one?
की रात बना
भाई
आग.
बहुत मुश्किल से निकाला मैंने ये नाम
I thought the
Oh.
reaction
Ah.
to the song.
Now we know Sumit's new favorite song. It's a great song.
Nice.
Okay, next one. Buzz ready? Lyrics of this third song are as follows. हो मन मृदंग बजे बेढंग उड़ा है रंग बेचारे का लुक मुक ऊपर प्रेशर कुकर हुआ दिमाग कुआरे का होए हाय तेल लगाए नई जिंदगी 100 के दिन काटे वो वक्त के मुंह पे गुस्सा करके मारती रहते चाटे वो फिक्र में अब तो उसका डैड है फिक्र में तो अब उसका डैड है नहीं I'll read again one last time if in case you guys get it otherwise I'll go to half. हो मन मृदंग बजे बेढंग उड़ा है रंग बेचारे का लुक मुक ऊपर प्रेशर कुकर हुआ दिमाग कुंवारे का हाय तेल लगाए नई जिंदगी 100 के दिन काटे वो वक्त के मुंह पे गुस्सा करके मारती रहती चाटे वो फिक्र में अब तो उसका डैड है No negative points, so you can just venture out a wild guess also, and it's fine. Nothing at all? Okay, then should I go half or half?
Yeah.
Okay, again buzzers ready because this
Yeah.
might be the tune might be a giveaway for this one. Okay. हो मन मृदंग बजे बेढंग उड़ा है रंग बेचारे का लुक मुक ऊपर प्रेशर कुकर हुआ दिमाग कुंवारे का हाय तेल लगाए नई जिंदगी सौ के दिन काटे वो वक्त के मुंह पे गुस्सा करके मारती रहती चाटे वो फिक्र में अब तो उसका डैड है. Did anyone get it?
It's Mika
Okay,
Singh.
somebody got it. Thank God.
For sure.
Yeah, it is. It is a Mika song. Yes. Oh my, not bad. Yeah, me. Singer. Sorry. हो मन मृदंग बजे बेढंग उड़ा है रंग बेचारे का लुक मुक ऊपर प्रेशर कुकर हुआ दिमाग कुंवारे का हाय तेल लगाए नई जिंदगी सौ के दिन काटे वो वक्त के मुंह पे गुस्सा करके मारती रहती चाटे वो फिक्र में अब तो उसका डैड है.
This is a song for Rakhi Sawant when he kissed her.
या उसका डैड फिक्र में था.
Slapped. चाटे वो.
ए भाई तूने
तूने
पप्पी
पप्पी
क्यों
क्यों
ली?
ली?
तूने छोड़ के तुझे यही मसले.
I can't believe they made a song
Dude,
on
you know-
harassment.
You know who I've been really vibing to is Neeraj Sridhar nowadays. The guy from
Chhod
Bombay.
do acha,
Fucking
zamana
amazing, dude.
kya
He has
kahega.
what
Yeah.
you know you like move away from songs from a certain song and go back to it years later, like all the Bombay Viking songs.
Yeah.
All the kya surat hai, kya surat
hai.
wo chali. What an era, dude.
Yeah.
What an era. Right?
Bright
Agreed.
era.
Bright. Yes. Absolutely.
Man,
Nothing?
I don't
Nothing
know
at
this
all.
song.
Does anyone from the audience know? Yes. हीर तो बड़ी सैड है आजो बड़ी मैड है.
Yes, I've never heard the second verse. That is correct.
जाना मुश्किल है. Okay, chalo. Okay, this one now, guys. We're going retro. Yes, awesome. Nobody's excited. Okay, great. Everyone's
Oh
excited.
no.
Okay,
no.
we're going retro. By this I mean this song is a Shammi Kapoor song. Okay, from like that era of so like 70s, early 80s, 70s. Okay.
Not even born then.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. These songs are still very popular today.
Evergreen?
Evergreen, we still listen to them. Your parents still listen to them all the time. Okay, so any slightly older Diggaj people in the audience would know what the song is for sure. Okay, and actually everyone knows without a doubt what the song is. All right, the lyrics of this song, this retro song, are as follows. जब तुमसे नजर टकराई सनम जज्बात का एक तूफान उठा तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका जीवन में मची हलचल और बजने लगी शहनाई. Got it? Yeah, great. Multiple people got it. Nothing?
Okay, nerds.
Okay, no worries. I'll read again. जब तुमसे नजर टकराई सनम
जब-
जज्बात का एक यस.
Do better first.
नहीं ठीक है पढ़ो.
Okay. जब तुमसे नजर टकराई सनम जज्बात का एक तूफान उठा तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका जीवन में मची हलचल और बजने लगी शहनाई. नहीं half and half then? No, nothing. No
Nothing.
guesses at all. All right. Okay. Okay. जब तुमसे नजर टकराई सनम जज्बात का एक तूफान उठा तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका जीवन में मची हलचल और बजने लगी शहनाई. Come on, guys. Yes. Nah, bro.
Don't
Sumit.
me. Guys.
She wasn't born, okay? She wasn't born then. But wait.
He was going there.
Yeah.
Is it
Sumit,
the
anything?
same?
एक बार फिर से
Yes, I'll do that. But you're out.
Yeah.
Probably for now. Sumit has a slingshot. Okay. Okay.
It's your turn to
okay.
be.
Okay. So जब तुमसे नजर टकराई सनम, जज्बात का एक तूफान उठा, तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली, तिनके की तरह मैं बह निकली, सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका, सैलाब मेरे रोके ना रुका, जीवन में मची हलचल और बजने लगी शहनाई. I think everyone knows what at this point. Yes. People are dying in the audience.
हाँ भाई
जल्दी करो याद लो यार.
Pass it.
Oh, yeah,
Pass,
पास
it.
पास पास
Okay, throw to the audience. Oh yeah, Divana Badal. Yes, absolutely right.
Divana
hua badal.
What was that?
ये आ रहा था बट
Yeah.
भाई
Yeah. So this, how this
तूने
part?
बहुत गंदा गाया बाद में पहले
भाई
अच्छा
मैंने
गाया था
बहुत सही गाया bro.
First time round, he heard you and he just went there.
Oh okay.
And then he
मैंने
stopped.
बहुत yeah bright how was I? Not bad no yeah dude what are you saying bright का मेरे को green
Bright
light
You
मिल
नहीं
गया.
है भाई
Medium dim. Just
क्या
about
बात कर रहा है
manageable.
bro.
एक स्लाइड चेंज था सेकंड अंतरे में तिनके की तरह तिनके
You're right yes that's absolutely
हाँ,
right.
बस हो गया
अरे तो तेरे को बड़ा
So I think the real person to is Antara. So everybody together.
Antara,
1, 2, 3.
yeah
nice that's gonna be
क्या
the most
सुर में किया
Yeah,
है
yeah,
सबने?
great. That's gonna be the most irritating sound to edit. All right, cool. We'll do a couple more in this game. It's going very well. That was full. No, that was 2.5 for the audience. Correct. Yeah. All right. Next one. Back to more current day, as it were. गुप चुप दिल में आया सपना स्वांग रचैया रे, पल पल हर पल जिसकी छाया अपना पार लगैया रे, हो तुझ पर जान हमने लुटाई है तब जाके तू संग आई है. गुप चुप
रुक जा भाई आ गया
दिल में
रुक जा आ गया भाई
Pavi, do you want me to read again?
Dude, एक तो when you speak in this tone, it blanks my mind out, you know.
Yeah, that's by design.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like I'm presence. Gup chup. You know what's
Hey,
happening.
again, okay. This is
प्यार
an
की नैया।
original game from this show.
प्यार के नहीं
Not
आ
his, huh?
प्यार के नहीं आ
नहीं bro.
नहीं?
Not, it's not that. You're thinking
one
प्यार
प्यार?
की
नहीं।
प्रेम की नैया. you're saying.
प्रेम के नहीं आ शायद
No, not that also.
जो भी नहीं है डूब गई ब्रो. नहीं चलने वाली है.
भाई कुछ और ही लाइन बोल दिया
No, not that. So now you can't guess.
Yeah.
I'll read again once more for Pavi.
Yeah.
गुप चुप दिल में आया सजना स्वांग रचैया रे, पल पल हर पल जिसकी छाया अपना पार लगैया रे, हो तुझ पर जान हमने लुटाई है तब जाके तू संग आई है.
Some sacrifice has been made. Clearly. I would like half tune.
Okay, half for half then. Both of you are again in play. All right. Half for half for this song is as follows. गुप चुप दिल में आया सजना स्वाग रचैया रे, पल पल हर पल जिसकी छाया अपना पार लगैया रे, हो तुझ संग ओ तुझ पर जान हमने लुटाई है.
पे
यस
ने अरे भाई सलमान भाई
भाई करेक्ट यू
ने अबे भाई तू तेरे मस्त दो नैन नहीं अरे भाई
Salman and it's some names.
No, don't think name.
Oh, okay. Just a
But
Salman
think Salman
song.
if you want because he already said that. Okay, I'll do it again. Once more.
Haan.
Probably I'll actually read the whole thing for you because
Yeah.
you haven't buzzed in yet. But you can't answer, no? Sorry, Smith. Okay. गुप चुप दिल में आया सजना स्वाग रचैया रे, पल पल हर पल जिसकी छाया अपना पार लगैया रे, हो तुझ पर जान हमने लुटाई है तब जाके तू संग आई है.
Salman, Sacrifice.
तब जाके तू संग आई है.
आई है.
No, wait.
Wow, already
Wait.
audience.
Wait. Nothing, really.
Tere Naam, maybe? I don't know.
Which one, huh?
Tere Naam ka some song? No? Okay.
So the movie he said was right, but now you also guessed.
Oh.
So the movie was right. Yes. Audience, let's throw. Yes. Huh? तूने तो पल भर में चोरी किया रे जिया ओरे पिया.
Sounds so easy after you all sing it.
Okay. So this is fun, no? This is fun. Let's go at least a couple more. How much time do we have? Okay, let's end in the next, say, 5-6 minutes. All right? We'll do at least 2 more and let's see where we stand on time. Okay? The lyrics for the next song are as follows. हो घर से निकलने का टाइम तो बता ताकि रहूं मैं मोड़ पे खड़ा रहता हूं मैं आजकल बिजी वेट करना है मुश्किल बड़ा मैं रोड रोमियो दिल जोड़ रोमियो. This is easy-ish, I would say. No? Okay.
You all know what?
I mean, that's Kirti. Kirti knows too much. That's my wife. I can say that.
Yeah.
उसने ही बनाया क्या ये स्लाइड? Of course. अच्छा.
Okay. I'll read it again.
फिर से.
हो घर से निकलने का टाइम तो बता ताकि रहूं मैं मोड़ पे खड़ा रहता हूं मैं आजकल बिजी वेट करना है मुश्किल बड़ा मैं रोड रोमियो दिल जोड़ रोमियो.
इसके बाद का नहीं.
नहीं. इसके बाद like a giveaway line which I would like to avoid singing. I would like to avoid giving item.
आधा गवा दे.
सुनवा ले इससे.
गवा
Okay, half for half then. For half the points, the lines are half the song is as follows. हो घर से निकलने का टाइम तो बता ताकि रहूं मैं मोड़ पे खड़ा रहता हूं मैं आजकल बिजी वेट करना है मुश्किल बड़ा मैं रोड रोमियो दिल जोड़ रोमियो.
पै चिंता था चिता.
खाली पीली
खाली पीली रोकने का नहीं तेरा पीछा
करूं तो टोकने का नहीं मैं तेरे अगल बगल not really in scores अगल बगल
मेरे अगल बगल आ. Okay.
Ooh, finally one song.
Okay, want to do one more retro, guys? Want to
कर
try
ले
retro
भाई
again?
कर ले.
They'll
try
at
retro?
least get it, yeah.
Okay, chalo. Let's make it fun for you guys. Okay. Let's do one more retro. Very short. This verse. Let's go. The lyrics of this song, this retro song, are as follows. दिल को जलाना नहीं, कुछ भी छुपाना नहीं, झूठा बहाना बैंग बैंग. इतनी खुशी है यहाँ, जिसका ठिकाना नहीं, लूटो खजाना बैंग बैंग.
Bang bang
Bang
है.
bang in retro song.
Yeah.
Like
We got it. Great. I'll do that again. दिल को जलाना नहीं, कुछ भी छुपाना नहीं, झूठा बहाना बैंग बैंग. Good. Okay, wait. Got excited. It's okay. That's Rohit. Let's say hi to Rohit, guys. What's up? दिल को जलाना नहीं, कुछ भी छुपाना नहीं, झूठा बहाना बैंग बैंग. इतनी खुशी है यहाँ, जिसका ठिकाना नहीं, लूटो खजाना बैंग बैंग.
हाँ आ गया मुझे.
बोल. सुमित अब रोज हमेशा यही बोलता है.
ये गाना आ गया लेकिन गाऊंगा तो नाम आ जाएगा. नाम नहीं आ रहा.
नाम ही चाहिए तेरे को भाई. गाऊंगा तो नाम.
यार, I'm
What is the tune in your head?
Mithun Da song, no?
नहीं नहीं.
Yeah.
It's a Mithun
I mean,
Da
it's- yeah,
song
yeah, in a
from
way.
Disco Dancer.
Yes, sir.
Bang. I only remember the pen.
Yeah.
It's happening
The song
at
is something
bang,
like
bang.
ta na 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 na
Yes.
ta na 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 na
A
na.
little, yeah, you're right. Kind of very close.
Ta-
Bang
Bang.
bang.
Bang, bang.
दिल को चुराना नहीं. यार. Almost there.
The great Usha Uthup.
It's there,
I'll help you.
This is
The incredible Usha,
Can
Usha
I get
Uthup.
half the points for the step?
Huh? That's all the songs. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, that's true.
ओम शांति. नहीं
नहीं, no, मिथुन का नहीं है भाई.
Fuck.
तो तेरा हो गया अब. Pavi?
Da, da, da. Bang bang.
बैंग बैंग समाना बोले ये कोई है
रात भर प्यार कर तू मेरे साथ चल मिथुन करे
बैंग बैंग
whatever little bit of that song came has now evaporated with this bang bang.
दिल को जलाना नहीं, कुछ भी
हाँ.
छुपाना नहीं, झूठा बहाना बैंग बैंग. इतनी खुशी है यहाँ जिसका ठिकाना नहीं, लूटो खजाना बैंग बैंग.
I want a tune.
Okay, then half off. Sumit, you're back in. Okay? कर ले? नहीं? What if you get it? You never.
He's scared.
Don't give up पहले से ही only.
तेरा हो गया भाई, जब तूने बोला मेरा हो गया.
Okay. दिल को जलाना नहीं, कुछ भी छुपाना नहीं, झूठा बहाना बैंग बैंग.
मेरे दिलों के नौजवान.
That's literally Om Shanti Om what Sumit said.
कर दिया ना तूने, गा
कर
दिया
दिया
ना.
भाई.
यही गाना चाह रहा था मैं.
Yes.
यही हुआ था मेरे
Thank you,
साथ.
God.
एग्जैक्टली यही ट्रेन ऑफ थॉट्स में जाके रुका था मैं, और उसने बोला हो गया तेरा. अब बोल इसको हो गया तेरा.
हो गया तेरा. You're
मेरे
done.
अगल
You're out.
बगल.
Snip it. Okay. Sumit, you're still in. I'll half sing for you again. दिल को जलाना नहीं, कुछ भी छुपाना नहीं, झूठा बहाना बैंग बैंग. इतनी खुशी है यहाँ जिसका ठिकाना नहीं, लूटो खजाना बैंग बैंग.
इसके बाद तो वही स्टार्ट होता, बोलो ओम शांति 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 ओम.
लूटो खजाना बैंग बैंग.
Om Shanti Om Shanti.
Let's,
पास 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 पास
You
पास.
guys aren't getting it. Let's
Yeah.
go to the audience back there, sir. नाचे
नाचे,
नाचे
नाचे.
कोई वहाँ नाचे
नाचे
नाचे.
नाचे.
सारे
Om
हंसी
Shanti
यहाँ नाचे,
ओम शांति
शांति,
शांति
शांति
ओम.
क्या तुमने किसी के साथ डांस किया?
Om.
Okay. Let's do. Man, this is going too fun. Let's do one absolute last. क्या बोलते हो लोग? हाँ? क्यों नहीं? ठीक है. Let's. Which one? I'll just choose the right one. चलो, चल. Last. This one. Okay.
New retro.
No, newish.
Okay.
मतलब our lifetime.
Okay.
और लाइफ टाइम.
Our lifetime. Within our lifetimes.
In the last 16
Okay.
years. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. पीछे दुनिया में आगे मेरे सोए अरमा जागे. पीछे दुनिया में आगे मेरे सोए अरमा जागे. अब तो बस ऐसा लागे मेरे कदमों में जहां. एवरीबॉडी जॉइन द सॉन्ग, कीप द पार्टी गोइंग ऑन. यारो हमसे बढ़ के कौन. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी नाउ, हिट इट लाइक दैट चिल.
Yeah, I know this song,
Yeah, you definitely do.
but
पीछे दुनिया में आगे मेरे सोए अरमा जागे. पीछे दुनिया में आगे मेरे सोए अरमा जागे. अब तो बस ऐसा लागे मेरे कदमों में जहां. एवरीबॉडी जॉइन द सॉन्ग, कीप द पार्टी गोइंग ऑन. यारो हमसे बढ़ के कौन. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी नाउ, हिट इट लाइक दैट चिल.
Is it that? Come on, everybody, now, na 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 na. I puppy.
I'm a wow.
It can take you higher.
तू हमारी सोनिए. That was very
Night
fast.
and
Let's do
day.
one last. चलो हो रहा है यार. हो रहा है यार.
अंतरिक्ष पे ही मजा आ रहा है भाई इसमें. ये
Okay, cancel the next show. No, it's okay. Okay, quickly. Absolute last. Okay. Okay, let's go. This is little difficult, so I hope you guys get it. But it's a very popular song still. Okay. दीवानगी का नशा आया है कुछ इस कदर. तेरे सिवा आए ना कुछ भी नजर. मुझको तो अब हर घड़ी बस है तेरी आरज़ू. सांसों में खुशबू में है बस तू ही तू. हो मेरे ढोलिया सुन सुन दिल की बोलियां. दिल तेरा होलिया होलिया रे. I'll read again. दीवानगी का नशा आया है कुछ इस कदर. तेरे सिवा आए ना कुछ भी नजर. मुझको तो अब हर घड़ी बस है तेरी आरज़ू. सांसों में खुशबू में है बस तू ही तू. हो मेरे ढोलिया सुन दिल की बोलियां. दिल तेरा होलिया होलिया रे.
मेरा तो पास है भाई.
Okay, half and half.
That's all.
Half and half then.
Yes.
The last half and half of this episode, guys, is as follows. दीवानगी का नशा आया है कुछ इस कदर. तेरे सिवा आए ना कुछ भी नजर. मुझको तो अब हर घड़ी बस है तेरी आरज़ू, सांसों में खुशबू में है बस तू ही तू। ओ मेरे ढोलिया सुन दिल की बोलियां, दिल तेरा हो लिया रे। Come on, guys. Sing it louder.
No, he'll also get it, na?
Clearly not.
I have no idea.
Clearly he's blanked
Yeah.
out as fuck. Yes.
I don't know.
And then after that? She's so close, no matter how far.
Now only that has come. मेरे ढोल सुन तेरी प्यार की. I think the audience should sing. This is the last
okay.
song. I'll give it to you.
Okay. 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 Audience, does anyone know? दिल विच लगिया वे, दिल विच लगिया वे, दिल विच लगिया वे. All right, guys, that was awesome. Let's see where we stand at the end of the episode. You can just give me the scores. You can give me the scores. Also, before the show started, I was supposed to say this part out loud. You guys were fighting for something. I don't know if you guys remember this. You guys are fighting for something.
ओ अभी बता रहा है? तो पहले बता रहा है यार थोड़ा.
यार इरादा तो था पहले बताने का, मैं भूल गया बताना. That's
Wow.
basically what it is.
मुझे तो दिखाना चाह रहा है मुझे क्या नहीं मिलने वाला है.
Yes, correct.
Wow.
So basically, you guys would have
You guys तो मत बोला.
you gals,
बहुत ही
all the
clear
gals
है
in the
ये.
house. Okay, so basically, this is what you guys fight for: becoming the biggest Bollywood Badshah or the biggest Bollywood Begum.
अच्छा.
All right.
बादशाह तो फाड़ दे.
Okay. Yes. So I'll keep. So reveal में Begum ऐसा निकालने का ना तो अच्छा लगेगा. तो I'll keep अपनी Begum
Okay.
here.
थोड़ा रिवील रखना. Guys कौन जीतने वाला है? Suspense.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Can happen anyway. All right. Coming in third place.
Third भी है.
Yes, that's the audience plays along. Right?
मेरा नाम मत ले देना भाई.
Audience plays along. Coming in at third place with 21.5 points, the one, the only, Sumit Saurabh.
दो लोग के कंपटीशन में थर्ड कैसे आ सकता हूँ यार? This is insane.
It's rare.
मेरे को
comic
humiliate
stand all
करने
over
बुलाया है भाई.
again.
मेरे को बस किस लिए रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहा है क्या तू?
Yes. And upload भी करूँगा भाई.
This is.
I'll cut out the rest of the episode, just show you losing this part of the episode. Coming in second place with 32.5 points is the audience, the entire audience. Very cool. And being crowned the biggest Bollywood Begum with 45 points, the one, the only, Pavitra Shetty! Woohoo! Acceptance speech. We want an acceptance
I
speech.
would like to thank Udit ji for not showing up here and not kissing me. So, go sexual harassment out of the window. So, thank you everybody for coming and supporting me. And thanks for being not a competition. and thank you, Antariksh. And everybody, please follow us on all Instagram handles. We are better at comedy than Bollywood. So, yeah.
Yes.
Sumit for sure.
Please check out their live shows. Come for all the live shows. I do a live taping of this show on a regular basis, usually in Powai, but I'm gonna start looking for venues around here also in Khar, around Khar Bandra side. So please look out for that Filmy Game Show. It's available on my YouTube channel as well, Antariksh Thakkar. Again, follow them. Check out all the other shows. And also, right, before you leave, there is some kind of a voting that's gonna happen. Oh, how fun was this show? So if you like the show, you can vote for us to win like a cash prize at the end. कितना है कुछ?
20,000.
50 लाख 7 करोड़ जीतने वाले हम. So if you guys want me to win 7 crores,
Yeah.
us to win 7 crores.
For our bail, we will need that money.
Yes, correct.
So please
Yes,
contribute.
please. Last question then. What would you rather do? No. All right, guys. You've been an awesome audience. Please
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the evening. Enjoy the rest of the shows. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thanks, buddy.